Hi there, bigger the better. This phrase perfectly goes for this newly launched super huge 100-inch Toshiba QLED TV. It comes with high-end specifications and is packed with every feature you can think of. Brace yourself. Dolby Vision IQ support, filmmaker mode. It comes with Dolby Atmos, built-in Rexa subwoofer, Apple AirPlay support, and my favorite 144Hz native refresh rate with VRR and alarm support, making it an absolute beast of a gaming TV. Toshiba is known for its reliability and quality, and just some time ago, 100-inch TVs were priced around 5 to 6 lakh, actually more, but Toshiba is offering this 100-inch QLED TV for just 2,69,000. Almost unbelievable. So in this video, we'll check out everything in detail, the pros and the cons, even PS5 gaming, because how could a gaming TV review be complete without that, right? So let's quickly start with an unboxing. So we have a super huge box. You can spot the Toshiba branding on the top left. This is a 100-inch variant designed in Japan and made in India. And yes, this is also the #1 brand in Japan. Here you can see it's a gaming TV with native 144Hz refresh rate, Game Mode Pro and Rexa base woofer. Here is the model number Z570. At the bottom you can see the list of popular supported apps and more. On the side are the manufacturing details, the contents of the box and the MRP of 6,99,999. Wow! So ideally, you should never unbox this TV on your own. Call the Toshiba customer care and request them for a demo and installation. So inside the box you have the TV itself, then we have some paperwork which includes the 2-year warranty card and the user manual. Then you have the power cord, then you have an AV input adapter. This is for set-top boxes that lack an HDMI port. We have 2 metal stands, and trust me, these are the heaviest and the best quality stands I've ever seen on a smart TV. Fully metal, heavy duty stands. 4 screws to fix those stands, 2 AAA batteries for the remote, and finally the remote. Now as you can see, we get a full-size remote here, very nice. You can see the number keys on the top, power button, input button, you have the voice assistant, you have the D-pad for navigation. This is really nice, the quality feels very premium. Back button, home button, exit button, you can change the channels, you can adjust the volume. Then you have shortcut keys for Netflix, for YouTube, Prime Videos, Sony Live, Jio Cinema, Apple TV Plus, Disney Hotstar, Kids and Reezer. I have never seen so many shortcut keys on any remote before. Amazing. I love this raw texture finish also that you can see at the bottom here. Feels very premium. We also got this huge box with the TV. Want to take a guess what's inside? Well, it's this 100-inch TV's heavy-duty wall mount bracket. Its sheer size and weight is surprising. So we have fixed the stands and placed the TV on the table, and I have just one word for it: breathtaking. The build quality and design are absolutely top-notch. The first thing that instantly grabs my attention is the matte display. It drastically reduces glare. Check this light on the roof and its reflection on the screen. Almost negligible. On any other TV, the light would reflect like a mirror. Considering this size, matte display is such a huge pro. Then ultra slim bezels, and they too come with a textured finish. The lower bezel is grey, very clean, and you can spot the Toshiba branding on the extreme left. On the extreme right is the Rexa branding. By the way, this TV comes with 3-star energy rating. The stands obviously are all metal and are super sturdy, provide an excellent grip to this mammoth screen. This section of the stand opens, which is technically designed to pass cables through it, making it more organized and clean. Here are the dimensions of the 100-inch TV. I know this is a huge size, so these dimensions are going to be very helpful before you buy it. Alright, coming to the back. Firstly, it's all metal, clean and very well built. There are handles at the back too to lift the TV, not something we usually see. Then right in the center is the Rexa built-in subwoofer. Now with this backfiring subwoofer, the bass is going to be next level. Coming to the ports, the power input port is on the left, while some ports are on the right, while few are behind. Starting from the top, USB-A 3.0 port, service input, 4 HDMI ports, antenna, AV input and headphone jack. On the back, a second USB-A port, optical and LAN Ethernet. So very smartly, most often used ports are on the side, while optical and Ethernet are behind. HDMI 1 and 2 support 4K at 60 FPS, which would be ideal for a set-top box, while HDMI 3 and 4 support 4K at 144Hz. This is where you connect your gaming console like maybe PS5. Also, HDMI 3 port supports eARC, so you can connect it to ARC-supported soundbars or home theater system for digital audio output. Alright, let's have a quick look at the specifications. So this is a 4K QLED display with the resolution of 3840 by 2160 pixels. 144Hz native refresh rate, you get Dolby Vision IQ support along with Filmmaker mode, 61-watt sound output with Regza built-in subwoofer, you also get Dolby Atmos support and it's running the VIDA OS. Alright, let's talk about the main deal, the display. So this is a 4K HDR video sample and it instantly grabs your attention on how good this looks. Every detail just stands out. The AI Picture Optimizer truly enhances the viewing experience. Since this is a QLED TV, colors pop and you can notice how vibrant they look. But at no point does it get oversaturated. Watching 4K HDR content is an absolute treat because that's what this TV is designed for. Vivid bright colors with crisp clear blacks. Also, I must add, the clarity is extremely impressive. The whites are super bright with brilliant contrast. Here's my favorite movie scene from The Dark Knight, and it's a fairly dark scene. Still, the details are so clearly visible. Then here's live channels. This is how you would see the content from a set-top box. And I must say, thanks to AI 4K upscaling, even HD content looks so pretty good. You can even read the smallest text without any eye strain. If you watch a lot of content using your set-top box, then the viewing experience on this Toshiba TV will be very satisfying. Just to give you an idea on how big this TV in reality is, this is me in front of the screen. It's mammoth. We also ran the blooming test to check for light bleeds and I must say, excellent job by Toshiba. The blacks are perfect with no noticeable light trails. Well, if you're looking at that yellow light on the screen and thinking that could be something, well, that's just a light from the roof which is reflecting on the screen. I know, a lot of people must be thinking and would probably want to ask me, what is the ideal distance needed to view a 100-inch TV? Ideally, it should be about 8 to 10 feet and actually, when you enjoy the picture, even whole when you sit further away. Also, since it comes with AI motion enhancer, everything can be seen so much more clearly. In fact, it's so crisp that even when you come closer to the display, I barely see any pixelation. When it comes to the viewing angles, I would say they are pretty good. There is almost negligible shift in color and tones, even on such a mammoth screen like this, which I think is very important considering you could be sitting at an extreme angle. Alright, let's talk about the Filmmaker mode. Now this is a feature found only in very premium TVs, and what it essentially does is tune and enhance the movie watching experience as the filmmaker intended it to be seen. It's a perfect cinema experience for your home. You can turn on this feature from the picture settings. Now just to show you, this is while watching a movie without Filmmaker mode. It's so much more bright and vivid, but it doesn't create that theater-like experience. Now let's switch to Filmmaker mode. Now here it changes the color and hues to give you that perfect theater-like experience. You know, I just realized it's very hard to show a feature like this in a video recording, but it actually makes for a far better viewing experience when you watch it in reality. This 100-inch Toshiba QLED TV also comes with Dolby Vision IQ support. And what better way to test Dolby Vision than on Netflix? Here you can find tons of Vision content. If you look closely, you can also spot the Dolby Vision logo on some of the supported content. Let's turn it on. There you go. Dolby Vision codec makes the content look even more stunning. The clarity and the detail is just stellar. Since this panel supports high brightness levels, the experience is even more impressive. Also remember, this is Dolby Vision IQ, something we only see on very premium TVs. Good job by Toshiba. So let's talk about the user experience and the OS. Well, the first thing you need to know is this 100-inch Toshiba TV is running the VIDA OS. It prioritizes simplicity and ease of use. As you can see, it's also really well optimized. Right on the top, you can see some recommended content. Then you have the apps that come pre-installed. You have Netflix, Prime Videos, Jio Hotstar, Apple TV+, YouTube, Jio Cinema, Sony Live, Z5. Yes, there's also Alexa on board, which we'll come to a little later, Xstream, and so many more apps here, which already come pre-installed, which is great. Further down, you can see some more recommended content, Best of Bollywood on Prime Videos. Then there is also the VIDA App Store. Once you go in here, you can see some featured apps. You can install some games from here. There are some apps for kids, latest apps. But I would like to add that most popular apps like Netflix, Prime Videos, YouTube, Jio Cinema, all these actually come pre-installed. So there would be barely anything that you would need. So that's really good. If you go on to the left side here, you can see profiles, search, notifications. You can access the input. You have AirPlay here, HDMI inputs, AV, screen sharing, content sharing, music sharing. If you go into the settings here, you can access the picture settings, sound settings, connections. You have Bluetooth settings here. AirPlay mode is available here. So Bluetooth obviously is going to be handy. You can connect your favorite pair of Bluetooth earphones and enjoy the audio wirelessly, obviously without disturbing anyone in the room. You can set the timer, language control, voice services. If you come into voice services, you actually have 3: Google Smart Home, Amazon Alexa and Vida Voice. It's amazing. Very rarely do we see all these 3 together on one TV. By the way, we have set up Alexa and it works great. Other thing I would especially like to mention is that this Toshiba TV comes with hands-free Alexa support. Basically, this is the Alexa app which you will need to set it up. But once even you're out of it, all you need to say is, Alexa, what's the weather in Mumbai?
It's 35 degrees Celsius.
There you go. The best part is that you actually don't even need your remote. It's hands-free because the TV comes with built-in microphones. Similarly, you can ask it to play some songs. Alexa, play some songs. And here you can see the music starts playing on the TV and you can enjoy it on the best speaker and the biggest screen in your home. Now, because of copyright issues, I'll keep the volume low. But the other thing I want to specially add is quick settings that you can access directly from the remote. You have all settings, you can adjust the picture settings, sound modes, you can change it from standard, theater, music, audio output, TV speakers, you can change it to ARC depending on if you've connected to a soundbar. You also have karaoke mode, then you have sleep timer, audio only. So for example, like now, we are listening to music. All you need to do is click on audio now and the screen will turn off. So basically you're going to save power and the music will continue playing in the background. It's so cool. And you can change the wireless network, you can turn on and off the Bluetooth, and you can even edit this. It's really, really nice. I would especially like to say the Vida OS is super well optimized, easy and very fun to use. Then this TV also comes with native Apple AirPlay support, so you can mirror your Apple devices like I have, your iPhone, iPad or Mac to the TV screen. There is a slight delay, but no lag. It's so much fun to share your holiday pictures on the biggest screen you would ever find. By the way, video stream perfectly. Not even a hint of lag or stutter. Let's talk about gaming. So this Toshiba TV comes with VRR and LLM support, and of course if you have a 144Hz TV, then you know this is a gaming beast. What better way to test than if you have a PlayStation 5. Firstly, you'll notice that the interface feels so much more fluid. Check that out. Then if you press this menu button on the remote, you can access the game mode where you can see 120Hz on the extreme left with HDR support and so many more options at the bottom here. You can change the picture settings, you have AMD FreeSync, aim mode and their colors can be changed and so much more. And of course, you can also access the regular menu. Alright, let's game. So Uncharted 4 is one of my favorite games and it's very well optimized for PS5. Frankly, it's ultra smooth with absolutely not even a hint of stutter or drop frames. It's actually impossible to notice in the video recording because in reality, it's just flawless. You'll have to take my word for it. The Toshiba TV also supports Dolby Vision gaming mode. Seeing is believing how amazing this is. Gaming on this 144Hz TV with PS5 is beyond words. If you have a PS5 gaming console with you or considering to buy one, then this 100-inch Toshiba Gaming QLED TV is easily recommended. Alright, let's talk about the audio. So this 100-inch beast comes with 61-watt sound output with built-in Rexa subwoofer plus Dolby Atmos support. Wow, that's some piece of hardware. Can't wait to hear it. Now we're switching from standard audio to theater audio.
Your team has been betrayed, Ethan. All your secrets compromised. Everything you are. Everything you've done. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself.
Wow, that was something. I must say the audio does full justice to this huge display. Firstly, it's loud and it also sounds rich. Frankly, it's also able to produce good amount of bass, and that's thanks to the built-in subwoofer. I can confidently say that most people won't be even needing a separate soundbar. Plus, with Dolby Atmos, it creates that excellent surround sound effect. Absolutely brilliant in the audio department. Alright, final thoughts. So this Toshiba 100-inch QLED TV doesn't compromise in any aspect. It ticks almost everything you look for in a smart TV. You get Dolby Vision, Filmmaker mode, then 144Hz refresh rate with VRR, which also makes it a perfect gaming TV. For 2,59,000, this 100-inch TV is easily recommended. It comes with 2 years comprehensive warranty, which means you don't have to worry a thing. You're covered for a very long time. If you're literally looking for a theater that also doubles as a gaming TV, just go for it. This TV is available on both Amazon and Flipkart. I'll share the links below in the description. If you'd like to buy one, you should definitely check this one out. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.